everyone. I made this AI-powered user feedback analysis systems using N8N automation. This way, detecting user response, analyzing though AI its complement, complaint, queries, or any suggestions to add new features, and sending emails those users who are gives compliment and also update all in the Google Sheets. Now let me show you the automation. Here I can execute the workflow. Here the feedback form. Here user can input her name, like the name is Alex, input an valid email, and input the feedback like nice UI. Then submit the form. Then the execution will start. See, okay, the execution is executed successfully. Now check out the Google Sheet. Here you can see in the Google Sheet the name is Alex, the mail, the feedback, and it's an compliment detected by the AI agent, and it is the time. Now let me show you the email which one is sent by the AI agent. Here is the email note, and see, here we got the email from the AI agent, and it's fully automatically, and this way we can't automate anything. Thank you everyone.